Hello and welcome to Rajcfo, the channel that helps you understand all things finance. If you are a first-time investor, this video is for you. Investing can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll cover 10 points that will help you get started with investing. Point number 1. Start with a small amount. As a first-time investor, it's important to start small. Start with an amount you're comfortable investing and slowly build your portfolio over time. Point number 2. Understand the risks involved. Investing comes with risks, and it's essential to understand them before you start. Research the different types of investments and the risks associated with each. Point number 3. Set realistic goals. Before investing, set realistic goals. What are you investing for? Is it for retirement, a down payment on a home, or something else? Set goals that are achievable and keep you motivated. Point number 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is crucial when it comes to investing. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets to minimize risk and maximize returns. Point number 6. Stay disciplined. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to stay disciplined. Stick to your investment plan and resist the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Point number 6. Stay disciplined. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to stay disciplined. Stick to your investment plan and resist the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Point number 7. Educate yourself. Education is key when it comes to investing. Stay up to date with the latest investment news and research different investments to make informed decisions. Point number 8. Take advantage of tax-efficient accounts. Tax-efficient accounts can help maximize your investment returns. Research the different types of accounts available and take advantage of them. Point number 9. Learn from your mistakes. Investing comes with its fair share of mistakes. Learn from your mistakes and use them as an opportunity to improve your investment strategy. Point number 10. Follow with a financial advisor. Working with a financial advisor can help you create a personalized investment plan and navigate the complexities of the market. Dear viewer, Rajcfo channel provide investment tips and advice for informational purposes only. These tips are subject to market risk, and therefore, we cannot guarantee any specific outcome or return on investment. It's important to note that investing always carries some level of risk, and you should carefully consider your investment goals, financial situation, and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. We would like to make it clear that Rajcfo channel is not responsible for any losses incurred as a result of following our investment tips or advice. We strongly recommend that you conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for your understanding. Sincerely, Rajcfo channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.